Do you want to collect your published product details from WooCommerce to Google Sheets? Then this video is for you, because here I'll show you how to add WooCommerce products to Google Sheets automatically. So whenever you add a new product in your WooCommerce store, the same product will be added automatically to Google Sheets, that too in real time. Want to learn how you can also automate this process? Come with me and I'll show you everything step by step. So this is my WooCommerce dashboard and I'm going to add a new product in front of you, and you will see how the details of that product will be added automatically to this specific spreadsheet. But to automate this whole process, firstly I will have to build a connection in WooCommerce and Google Sheets application, which I am going to do with the help of a software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as add WooCommerce products to Google Sheets automatically. Now I will select the folder. So I want to create my workflow in this main workflows. Okay, so I have selected the same. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in the first application, then automatically do this in the next application. Okay, so this is how you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new product is added in WooCommerce application, then automatically add those product details in Google Sheets application. Okay, so that is why I am selecting both the applications in the trigger and the action window. Okay, and now the idea here is, firstly I will connect to WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect and will capture all the product related details, and then I will connect to Pabbly Connect with the Google Sheet and will send all the details here. Okay, so let us first connect to Google Sheets with the Pabbly Connect. So firstly I will select the trigger event, that is whenever a new product is created. Okay, so here we have the trigger event. You can even read the instructions. Triggers when a new product is created. Okay, and as soon as I select this, you will notice a webhook URL using which we are going to build this connection, and some instructions are already given, so you will have to follow these instructions carefully. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL, going back to the dashboard of WooCommerce, and here firstly I'll visit the settings section, and in this settings section you will find the option of advanced section. Okay, so give me a second, I'll show you everything step by step. Alright, this is the advanced section, and further I will directly click on this webhook section. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you everything. Okay, so this is the webhooks option, and here exactly I am going to add a new webhook by clicking on this button. Here you can notice few webhook URL are already created, but I will create a new webhook URL. Okay, so clicking on this add webhook button, and here exactly in this delivery URL section I'm going to paste the very same URL which I have just got via Pabbly Connect, and now I will provide the name something like connect with Pabbly. Okay, asking for the status, so I'll change it as active. Asking for the topic, well, it should be related to product only. Basically whatever we have selected in the trigger event, it should be same. Now finally I'll click on the save webhook button, and in this way you can see the webhook is updated successfully. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice a webhook ID is received. That means the connection is successful. Okay, now in order to test this connection, first of all I am going to click on this recapture webhook response button, and here you can notice it has already started waiting for the webhook response. Read this note also. It is saying now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means creation of a new product in WooCommerce. Okay, so yes, I'm going to perform the same. First of all I will visit this product section, and in front of you I'm going to add a random product, and as soon as I do that, you will see how the details of that product will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so this is the button of adding a new product. So first of all, it is asking for the name of the product. Well, I have already prepared a few basic details into the notepad. Okay, so how about I directly copy this and paste below. Okay, give me a second. Asking for the short description, well, I'm leaving it blank. Then are asking for the regular price. Okay, so here I will add the regular price as 19,999 and the sale price as 17,999. Asking for lot of other details, and here also you can fill this information, but currently I am going to update only the basic, the required, the most important information. Asking to set a product image, so yes, I'm going to upload this smartphone image, clicking on this set product option. Okay, and here it is asking for the product short description. Okay, so again I am going to copy this text from here and let me paste the exact text here. Okay, so I think I have provided all the basic details. Now I will publish this product in my WooCommerce store, and as soon as this product is live in my store, you will see the details of this product will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so fingers crossed, waiting for the response, and here you can notice the response is received. Okay, now I'll show you the details one by one. Here we have the type as simple, the text status as textable, we have the stock status as in stock, we have the status as published, and finally we have the slug of the very same product. Here we also have the short description. Okay, you can notice it is the same description, Android smartphone with the dual SIM port. Okay, and don't worry about these HTML tags, I'll show you how you can remove these tags. This is the sale price of the product, and this is the price once again, and here we have the permalink, basically the product link, and finally this is the name of the product. Okay, so I think all the important details have been captured here, and the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time you and your team member add a new product in your WooCommerce store, the detail of that product will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I am going to send these these product related details to Google Sheets. Okay, so the application is already selected. Now I'll select the action event, that is add a new row. Now clicking on connect, then I'll click on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the access. So if you are a new user, you will have to provide the access of your Google Sheets, but because I'm an existing user and I have provided this access multiple times, so I'm going to reuse those existing connection, clicking on save, and this is how my Google Sheets account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And if you want, you can also use the existing connection, but the condition here is in the first time you will have to provide the access. Okay, and here you can notice it is connected, and because we are connected, whatever the spreadsheets are available inside my Google Sheets account have started visible here. Okay, so I'm going to select this all product details, this specific spreadsheet, and here I have a single sheet only, that is sheet 1. So again it has got selected automatically, and as soon as this sheet is selected, you will see whatever the columns I have added in this spreadsheet, all these columns will be fetched as a field. Okay, so here I have the date, product name, product regular price, the product sale price, the product description, and the image URL. Okay, here also you can find the same column as the fields, date, product name, product regular price, product sale price, the description, and the image URL. Okay, now you tell me from where I'm going to provide these details. Remember, I have already captured these details as a response of my trigger step of my WooCommerce step. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I am not going to manually copy this data and paste below again and again. I am going to map this data. Okay, and mapping is very simple. When you will click on this particular field, in any field you will be able to see the above step data here in the drop down. Okay, so here I will search for the date date first of all. Okay, so give me a second. Where is the date? All right, so here we have lot of date. Okay, so I can add this date, that is date modified GMT. Asking for the product name, so remember the product name was Red V. Okay, so in this way I am going to map the details in all other fields as well. But you must be thinking that what is this mapping? Okay, so whatever the details I am mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time in next time. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again, that whatever the details I'm mapping here, these details will be replaced automatically. Well, I cannot map this description as it is because it has extra tag. Okay, so how about I remove these extra tags first, but before that I think I should proceed once with the tags only, with an expectation that these tags will be removed automatically. But if these tags will still exist, don't worry, I'll show you the way that how you can remove that. Asking for the product image URL. Okay, this is the last thing and this is the image URL. Okay, so finally I will click on this button, and as soon as I do that, a positive response will be received, which means the product is successfully created. I'm really sorry, the product details are successfully added in Google Sheets automatically. Okay, so give me a second, waiting for the response. And here you can notice a positive response is received, so that is why I'm going back to my spreadsheet, and here you can notice the data is also added, but the product description actually includes this HTML tag also. Okay, so I'll show you how you can remove that. Okay, currently this data, the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation is working absolutely fine. Let me centralize this text. Okay, coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and before your Google Sheet step, simply click on this plus icon and search for the text formatter, which is again an interesting feature of Pabbly Connect, via which you can perform various kind of amazing operation within your text. Okay, and this time I'll go with which particular text, that is text the basic formatting. Okay, and as soon as you click on connect, it will be connected immediately, and now you will have to provide the string. Okay, so here I have the string as that short description. Okay, so searching for the same, and after that in this transform I am going to select this remove HTML tags, and you will notice that in the response, whatever the response we will receive, that response does not consist of these HTML tags. Okay, here also you can notice this is the proof that all the HTML tags have been removed, and now finally I am going to map this particular value. Okay, so let me remove this existing product description. All right, give me a second, why it is not getting deleted. Alright, and now I am going to map this product description from here. Okay, so finally I am clicking on this button once again, and this time also you will notice that the details will be added automatically to spreadsheet, and this time the product description does not include any HTML tags. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that our automation is working absolutely fine, and in this way, with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can automate this process of adding the data in Google Sheets directly from WooCommerce. Okay, and to automate this process, you need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. And just in case if you want to access this 3-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on that link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the very same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.